Sanibona bafethu, mhlawumbe ngiphathe indaba bafethu kade noSima bafethu. Lapho alile bafethu echaza khona ukuthi no, ndinosima because ngiyamthanda.
They were saying I'm using Sima to gain more followers. I was like, no, I did have followers before. My relationship with Sima, it's just us. It's literally, you know what, we were together, like it's just us, guys. It's just us. I know where she's been, I know what she's done and whatever that she was engaged with back then, but that's not the life I'm trying to make her live. It's genuine here. And for everybody that's been following me, they would know the type of husband I am to my wife. So that doesn't separate Sima from any other things that are going to be happening in our relationship. Yekela ukucabanga ukuthi yonke into ama followers, ama streams, yini yonke lenyaka. No guys, no, relax. Umuntu wami uyagula futhi manje. I need to go make sure she's okay. I have to make sure Sima she's okay. She's sick right now. I'll hate you if you hurt her. Give me hetela in, you guys. Give me hetela in. Guys, think about this, ne? They don't understand. Let me make them understand the type of man I am. Guys, I'm with my wife for almost 9 years. My first wife, we've been together for almost 9 years. My second wife, we are now together for almost 5 years. I've been married to my first wife for 5 years and to my second wife for 4 years. You can imagine how intentional I am as a man. I know the right thing to do. 8 years, guys,
Sima because I see the future. And now Sima because ngifuna iCloud or ngifuna ama followers, because uthi already yena unawo ama followers. Nayibona into le. We need more abantu besilisa banjalo bafethu. From the fact ukuthi ukwazile ukuthi atshela uSima ukuthi azeni Sima nabafazi bambabili. Yebo. And I'm willing ukuba relationship nawe. Yebo, ukufake lana ke bebathathu. And noSima uthini? I don't mind.
Hi, my angel.
How are you, Nana?
I'm good, how are you?
I'm good.
Can I please be your side chick? Onyela for sekwena. Oh, you're fine. I was targeted already.
Especially today. Hey, today they shouldn't mess with you.
Hello, today Jagoa, guys. Jagoa. I'm sick, and also like my tummy is hurting, and there's just so much happening.
Hey, tlaga mfana.
I just shout.
Cape Town. Nakira Jessica na nasanya kubusa.
Give mistake. We'll never do it again.
Jessica nasanya kubusa. Are. Oh, kind of waiting. Are actually she likes me more than you.